So good afternoon, New Orleans, and welcome everybody. It's great to be here in the Big Easy at the 2017 Collision Conference, along with its founder, Paddy Cosgrave, and all of you that have joined us today. We're excited that you could be here as we get set to officially ring the Nasdaq closing bell to mark the end of today's trading session. As you can see from the screens beside me, this is being simulcast live on Nasdaq's 7th-story tower at the crossroads of the world in the heart of Times Square, New York. This ceremony marks the second time the Nasdaq stock market has been closed remotely from the city of New Orleans. Let's make this an annual event. And let's hope the storm comes back and makes it even more mystical. Over the past years, Paddy and his team have grown Collision into one of the most important gatherings in the technology in the world. The attendees gathered with us today are entrepreneurs, innovators, disruptors of the status quo, and the creators of the next wave of tech companies. Companies we hope that one day, just like Trivago, will be listed on Nasdaq. For 46 years, Nasdaq has been at the forefront of initiatives that have moved our capital markets forward. We're home to 3,800 listed companies representing more than $10 trillion in total market value, including the 5 largest companies in the world. We are the exchange of choice for the entrepreneurs, the innovators, and the leaders in nearly every sector. Companies that are truly creating change and driving the future of global business choose to list on Nasdaq. At Nasdaq, we take great pride in collaborating with industry-leading partners such as Collision, and we are thrilled to ring the Nasdaq closing bell at such a great event. Paddy, I'd like to congratulate you and the entire team on this tremendous event. Now please, let's all give a round of applause to Paddy, the CEO of Collision. Thank you, my friend.
Adam, thanks so much. Thanks to all the Nasdaq team. They've been a fantastic partner over the last number of years. We always love having them in Lisbon. I've done this a number of times and I've kind of hogged, I guess, the limelight a little bit. And this is the first time I've asked most of our team that are absolutely core to putting this entire event together. So in a little while, some of the team that maybe you don't actually get to meet, they're all working tirelessly behind the scenes. We've got a core team here of about 80 who've flown over, mostly from Dublin, to be here. They work non-stop, literally for 24 hours a day in the days before Collision, and then they work tirelessly through today, yesterday, and tomorrow, putting this event together. So I just love you to put your hands together for my team, for our team, who are absolutely fantastic. And then just finally to thank my co-host Chris Schultz and everybody, Sally, Tim, and so many others in New Orleans, the mayor, who've made our time here incredibly special. I absolutely love this city and I hope you're having a fantastic time. So thank you to New Orleans.
So Paddy, you're starting to have a collection of these, but it's a tremendous honor to give you this listing crystal, and to you and to your team. You've done a tremendous job.
Adam, thanks so much. Thank you very, very much. Thank you. Yeah. I love Adam. He's Swedish. The Swedes are the best looking men in the world.
Hi there. Let's get up tight. Let's make it cozy here. There's a storm going on.
Everybody, please stand and give us a huge round of applause as we go live on broadcast television as well as Nasdaq's 7-story high tower in Times Square, New York.